As we see the markets tumble and we're going into a bear market, markets going down, people fearing, people panic selling. But with the exchange Kucoin, we have an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking at Kucoin, it's the 5th largest exchange with a 24-hour turnover volume of $2 billion plus. That's massive. It's known as the People's Exchange. Kucoin is built for all classes of investors. Kucoin is the top 1 altcoin exchange with 700 plus assets and 1,200 plus trading pairs, and a number of crypto gems like Block, CHMB, VR, KMA, and DAO had their primary listings on Kucoin. Kucoin currently provides spot trading, margin trading, peer-to-peer fiat trading, futures trading, staking, and lending to over 18 million users in 207 countries and regions around the world. But that's not the reason why we're here. They have another benefit which we're going to be looking at. And the first benefit is they're offering deposits via Mastercard and Visa. So you don't need to go to a wallet. You don't need to do additional transactions. You can just go straight in and add funds via your Visa or Mastercard, PayPal, SEPA, and these other two I don't even know, but they have a lot of different methods. So new to crypto? Never done it before? How easy can it be? You have Visa and Mastercard to get into it. So what is the opportunity Kucoin is bringing us? Well, Kucoin has different opportunities from buying crypto, fast trade, peer-to-peer, third party, all the different markets. But their trade options is spot trading, where is your regular trading, margin trading, and then they have trading bot. Now, the moment you click on trading bot, it opens different opportunities. It has a spot grid bot, kill volatility by selling high and buying low. But that's not the one we're looking at. They have a futures grid bot, long or short to profit from market trends. They have a rebalance. Now, rebalance is a great opportunity and I like it a lot, but that's still not the one we're going to be looking at today. They have an infinity grid bot. I've used this on a different exchange in the past to great success, making around 30% profit that month. But today we're going to look at the DCA spot bot. What is a DCA bot? DCA is short for dollar cost averaging. Lower your average entry price via continuous investment. DCA helps investors divide the total amount of investments across periodic purchases of a target asset to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. DCA can help control risk and deliver stable returns by diversifying investments in the long run. How easy can it be? All you need to do is sign up to Kucoin. The link is down in the description. Open your account. Deposit via your fiat or Mastercard if you don't want to go through a wallet or don't have any crypto to deposit yet. Go to the trade options and click on trading bots. The moment the trading bot opens, you'll see the opportunity of DCA spot. Make profits from regular investment. All you need to do is click on create bot. And it's as simple as this. The DCA bot, you can choose from any pair against the USDT, the dollar stablecoin. We've seen 700 to 1,200 pairs you can choose from. But today, we're going to make it easy. We're just going to focus on Bitcoin. We're a small investor. We're going to start with Bitcoin and come in with small amounts. Clicking on Bitcoin, it is on Bitcoin already. You can click on charts and it will show you the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, there's your Bitcoin chart. You can have a look. And as we can see, the market is still tumbling and going down. But back to the DCA bot. The first option you have is invest you can do it every hour, every 4 hours, every 8 hours, 12 hours, daily, every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, every week or every 2 weeks. Now what this bot does, it gives you the opportunity to get into the market as it suits you. Everyone's financial status is different, so it creates you the opportunity. And you don't need to come in with big amounts. We're going to set this one on 1 week. Date of first investment. I want this investment to happen right now for the purpose of this video as we build forward. Amount per investment. So since it's a weekly investment, that means every week the amount I put in is going to get deducted from my trading account, from my USDT side. As we can see, I got enough USDT in the account. So let's make it $20 a week. Max investment optional. Now this is a unique feature creating an opportunity. We click on this. Max investment. By default, the asset in your trading account will be used and there is no investment limit configured. If the asset in your trading account are insufficient, the DCA will continue after you have an insufficient balance. You can also configure a max investment for DCA. Once the investment reaches the preset limit, the DCA will stop. So you got an opportunity of putting in the maximum amount you want to invest over the different amount of weeks. If I want to play with $500, I can put in $500. If I want to put in $1,000, it will take $1,000. That means it will keep on investing weekly until I've invested $1,000. But I'm going to leave it open. I'm just going to let it keep on running and investing weekly for me. Looking at the advanced settings, and this is optional. I do like this option because here you can decide every time there's enough profit, the amount you want, 2%, 10%, 125%. Once the target is reached, notify and continue to DCA. Or once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. Well, we'll sell because that means we're going to increase our USDT value. And then after I get a notification, all I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the bot. So let's make it 15% profit. If I reach 15% profit between all my DCAs, it's going to sell my positions and notify me, and I can come and restart my bot. We'll close it, investment amount, and we can create the bot. Symbol is Bitcoin USDT, amount per investment $20, invest every week. Date of first investment is right now and the profit target is 15%. Confirm. And bots running, and as you can see, our first bot is running. Total profits in USDT, still buying. We'll have a look at this every week as our buys goes through and see what's going to happen. DCA bot over the long run, if you don't have time and don't want to sit and watch the charts, it's an ideal opportunity to get in. You can decide your term and you can deposit money via your Mastercard or Visa card, making it easy. That's why I do like Kucoin. It's the people's exchange, making it easy for every investor. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below, and let me know, what do you think about the DCA bot? In my opinion, it's creating opportunity. What's your thoughts? Have a great one. Take care.